Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Gmail language is showing different. So I will show you guys how to fix this issue. So first of all, you just need to open your Gmail account, and after that you just need to click over here, which is settings option on your right side corner. So click on this option. Now click over here. Now after click on this window, you will get an option called language over here. So as you can see, so if you'll click on this option, it will show you all the languages over here. So if you want to choose like English, so you can easily choose from here. So I'll choose English US, and after that you just need to scroll down a little bit and click over here, and it will save your settings. After that it will automatically reload and fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.